Pick a reading for March the 3rd to March the 4th, Capricorn. Your cards are the Eight of Cups, the Empress, and the Page of Swords. So ang nakikita natin dito, parang si person may cambio, no? Whether this is you or your person, one thing is for sure, parang feeling natin pa-separate na, pero hindi. Parang meron dito mag-u-turn, parang, uy, may nakalimutan ako. Hindi ko minimin yung sinabi ko, hindi ko minimin yung mga bagay na namutawi sa bibig ko. With the Empress in here, nakikita natin dito kasi si Empress, meron ka rin mga ginagawa, no, in a physical form na siguro you're cutting your hair, you're changing your physique, whether this is holistically or, doing under a knife, no matter what it is, parang nakikita natin na isa ito sa magiging factor bakit parang may buwelo si person, no? Bumabalik yung interest niya sa'yo. Again, whether this is in physical form or nami-miss niya talaga yung energy nyo, one thing is for sure, U-turn is the key para magkaroon kayo ng harmony ni person. This is your quick reading, Capricorn, for March the 3rd to March the 4th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye.